This is our 2014 Renault Master, so let's show you about. Starting up here at the front, we've got this L-shaped seating area, which also folds up into a single bed, and then the seat cushions become the bed mattress. Under here we've got full storage space into there, and full storage space into there. Under here as well we've got the legs for the bed, so they just screw into there, into some threaded inserts, and we've got all the power. So the leisure battery is housed under the seat here. So we've got a 130 amp hour leisure battery, and we've also got a smart battery isolator, which is the split charge relay. So that means the leisure battery charges from the vehicle battery, which is housed under this step. So for the electric setup, we've got the solar panel on the roof, which connects to this solar charge controller. The charge controller is obviously connected to the leisure battery just in front in the cab, and then from there it connects into this fuse box, which runs all of our power off. So that's our fuse box that we've got set up. We've got a USB socket, the overhead fan, the accessory outlet, which is a cigarette lighter, that runs the fridge. Then we've got the two strip lights overhead and the water pump for the tap. We've also got a solar panel isolator, so you can turn the solar panel off and you can turn it back on. And we've also got an isolator under here which turns all the power off, and then you can obviously turn it back on. We've also got this 4000 watt inverter, so that has two USB plugs on, but also a 240 volt main socket. So this front area is obviously the seating area, so you can obviously just sit and chill, enjoy the views. But it also doubles up obviously as the bed and the dining area. So the dining table, we didn't want to have one of the ones that's got the base on the floor, because obviously then you've got a base that's fixed on the floor. So what we did is, behind these sliding doors, we've got this hideaway sliding table. So this just slides out, and the legs are just velcroed there, and they just fold out. And that gives you a nice big table. You can easily fit 3 people around this. You can have one there, one here, and then a fold-up chair on this side. So you could have 3 people eating around here comfortably. It also doubles up as an outside table. So if you're having a barbecue or something, you could put the table outside and you can use it outside of the van, because hopefully you're going to be using it outside when it's nice weather. So back in to the living area of the van, this is the kitchen area. So we've got the sink, which has also got a soap dispenser built into. This runs off a 12 volt water pump, which is connected to a 25 litre clean water tank. Then you've also got the wastewater tank next to it. These are just strapped in, nice and easy to remove, so that you can fill that and empty that. Then we've got a storage cupboard with nice deep storage space, and it's also got a gap through there, so if you've had something longer like a mop or something, it can fit all the way from there right to the front. Into the next cupboard we've got this 40 litre fridge cool box, so loads of space in there for all your food and drinks. And it also doubles up as a cool box, so again you can take this outside, fill it with drinks, and it's on wheels, so if you wanted to take it on a picnic or something, it's nice and portable. Then we've got the gas hob, nice simple basic hob, and that connects in the gas to the gas locker, which if I dive down under here, I'll show you. So this is the gas locker, which has got the dropout vent, and that connects up to the hob and fits the camping gas, 907 gas. Onto this side of the kitchen space, another nice big counter, so you've got loads of counter space in this van. And then again, loads of cupboard space. This has just got the mattress covering at the minute. Loads of cupboard space to fit all your stuff that you need in there. These are held shut by really strong magnets, so driving the van, these don't open. Talking more about storage, we've got overhead storage, the full length of the van. So from back all the way to the front, you've got all your overhead storage, which again, you can fit loads of stuff in there. So you could have your kitchen stuff in these ones, your sort of leisure stuff in there, and then maybe stuff that you need in bed up there. More storage options, we've got these hooks. So basically you can position these so that you could hang maybe a wash bag or a dirty washing bag, or even just like a wet coat if it's been raining. Really chucking everything around. So they just fit on there and you can slide them along and make use of those how you want. Into the back of the van, I'll quickly show you there's two USB sockets to go with the extra power from the front. And then overhead, we've got this roof light, which opens up and also has a 12-volt fan. Into the back of the van, we've got this full length double bed, so an adult can comfortably sleep in there, with a nice foam mattress, so it's nice and comfy. And then overhead, as you can see, we've got two LED strip lights. These are powered by these remote controls, so you could turn them on, but you can also program this so that you've got it at 50% light or 25% light, so that at night, if you don't want it full brightness, you can dim that before going to bed and stuff. You can also program it to flash and stuff, but unless you're having a party, you're probably not going to do that. Talked about the sleeping arrangements in here. We've got a full blackout system. So in the back of the van, we've got blackout curtains. I'll only shut one of them for now. Blackout curtains at the back. Then at the front, we have blackout curtains. And then at the side here, we've got another blackout curtain rolling down blind, which obviously means the van's fully blacked out. They're also thermal ones, so they help in the summer keep the heat out, or in the winter keep the cold out. So that just rolls back up, and then they just Velcro in place, nice and easy. All the doors on this van are just carpeted in black carpet. Open that back up, and then again, for sleeping, these three legs just screw in, and then this turns into a single bed. I'm only going to put one of these in for now, rather than showing you all three legs in. And then the seat cushions become the mattress. This is slightly shorter than a full length bed, but an adult could easily still sleep in here, but more likely it's going to be a kid. So this folds up and down dead quickly. You just literally screw these legs in, fold it up and drop it down. Put those legs back away. and then after it's been a bed, it just converts back into the seat cushion. And the curtains again, literally just velcro away like that. And they also become the curtains for the bulkhead overhead storage. That's ideal to obviously store the bedding for the front bed if you've got bedding in, or a sleeping bag or pillows or whatever. Another good feature of this van is there's a folding middle seat, which means not only does it become a table if you're stopping in the van and you don't want to get into the back, but it also means if it's chucking it down and you want to get into the back of the van, you can just climb through here rather than having to get out, get wet. You can literally just go through there and then lift the seat back up and it's all back into place. So let me show you the very back of the van. We've got full length access from this front seat all the way through to the back doors. These are via this sliding door system. This also means that when the sliding doors are open, you've also got access to this cupboard and the fridge cupboard. Because if these were opening doors, obviously your door would be there and you wouldn't be able to open that one. So in the back of here, we've got a step so you can step up to the bed, get on the bed nice and easy. And then that just obviously goes into the back. We've also got a portable flushing toilet, which is housed there, but it also could be housed in the front if you preferred it in the front. So yeah, that's full length, so you could fit like a surfboard or skis or whatever you wanted in there. Then if we come round the back, you've got the full width opening doors that open right out. Tie this curtain back. And you've got full access to your garage space. You can fit loads in there. You can probably fit bikes in there. All your muddy stuff that you don't want obviously inside the nice front part of the van. But it also means you can wake up and you can open the doors and have the nice view of wherever you're staying. These back doors are carpeted and it's got the privacy tinted windows in, so if you look through the windows from the inside you can obviously see through tinted. That obviously helps keep the van a bit cooler as well. But from the outside, you've got the full privacy glass, so you can't really see in unless you're literally up at it like that. So into the cab, got a nice conditioned cab, which we've put these carpets in just to make it a bit more car-like than van-like. Pretty much everything you'd expect with a Bluetooth stereo, etc., air conditioning. And we've got the reversing camera and the reverse sensors, which means this is a nice easy van to reverse, because obviously if you look at it, it's like 6.2 meters long and most people aren't used to reversing something that length. So yeah, from the inside as well, you can obviously shut these curtains And then anyone looking into the van can't see into the back. You've got full privacy, which again helps keep the van a little bit cooler, because a lot of the time it's the cab that gets hot and then transfers the heat into the back. So yeah, when you're done with the table, nice and easy. The legs literally fold back up, then use the Velcro straps just to attach the legs, strap them, drop in. Yeah, nice and quick and easy, folds back up, and then this gets lifted in place and slides into these rails at the back, and they're at an angle, so at the back they're narrower, so all you do is you push this until it's tight, and then it's solid, it can't go anywhere. There's just this handle underneath so that it's easy to pull it out. And then the sliding doors just slide shut, and they've got a magnetic catch there so that it sticks together. But it's also got a cabin hook so that when you're driving, or if you're parked on quite a big hill, it just holds those back together. So yeah, this is our Renault Master camper van conversion. Nice flexible van, suitable for 2 or 3 people, but also it's the perfect adventure camper, because as you can see from the colour, it blends perfectly in if you're staying in the countryside, in a forest or somewhere, and it blends perfectly in to the background surroundings.